Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So as we are seeing Python tricks and tips, here is our next tip. So here in Python you can do multiple variable assignment in one statement. So here I have taken variables A, B and C and I have assigned this 100, 200 and 300. So here 100 will go in A, 200 will go in B and 300 will go in C. So in this way you can do multiple variable assignment in one statement in Python. The same thing we will see practically. Here already we know that single variable assignment, like I am assigning 100 to this x and I can access this one variable. This already we know, right? But in Python there is facility you can do multiple assignment in one statement. So we have seen in ppt a b c. I will take here 20, 30 and 40. So what I have told you, so 20 will go in a, 30 will go in b and 40 will go in c. So we will print this on the console using f string. We will use f string for this. So a, b and c. Now we will run this. So now here a is containing 20, b is containing 30 and c is containing 40, right? So in this way you can do multiple variable assignment in single statement in Python. So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.